Kat ba ka Jingiathong halo ka jing don kam ban penduk no Iakhalai Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act lani MRGA ahajar arpawai kadang beteng ha bakmi yakamat halo ka casino umentri dang ba ka Jylla u Conrad ke Sangma hinin ka sngiu lakren shapang ka jing Shah Jingiathong bat Iakhalai online ha ka Jylla da ka boong ba ka kam Iakhalai online kala don lupa ha baro ka wei kari bat ha ka leng ka perthai Kaseng hakaliang persya ka Trinamool Congress kalapha ya ka sorkar Jylla ban batai benya ya ka jingkam ka jongka halor ka an Meghalaya Regulation of a Gaming Act da ka baong bakam dei tang na ka benta ka casino bat kala ban kata khambon ki benta bat kania kan lampat sya ka jingkieu hakikam yathong bat Iakhalai online ha ka Jylla.
Today, online gaming is happening from Dubai, happening from international countries, happening in the state, happening in different parts, and different kind of bettings take place. Now, if you were to assess, which I need to explain this to you well because you may not know, is that when it comes to betting, there are two categories of betting. There is something called betting on chance, and there's something called betting on skills. Betting on chance is what we call as gambling, and hence there are different rules and laws that are there to look at which particular game is gambling and betting on chance.